Okay, well, this is a challenging problem, but it's still just a speed, distance, and time problem. The idea is that we have a train and we know its velocity, and we know how long it takes to pass a person on the platform. And from that information, we want to figure out how long the platform is. So we can take this problem in a few steps. The first one, let's just get rid of those kilometers per hour units and change those to meters per second. We'll ultimately want the length of the platform in meters, so it's best to go there. 1,000 meters for every kilometer. 1 hour is 3,600 seconds. Cancel these units. Hours cancels hours. And we end up with units of meters per second. And so that means all we have to do is carry out this arithmetic to get 20 meters per second. Now we can ask, how long is the train? We know that it takes 18 seconds for the train to pass by, and we know its velocity. So if we start with speed equals distance over time, rearrange that to distance equals speed times time, we can just plug in what we know. 20 meters per second times 18 seconds. That's how long it was given in the problem. Cancel the seconds, and that gives us that the train is 360 meters long. Now, to figure out the length of the platform, we need to use either the front edge of the train or the back edge of the train. So let's just use the back. And so our next question will be, how much time does it take for the back end of the train to cross the front edge of the platform? So the leading edge crosses, then the back edge crosses, and that's where we start our time. Well, it turns out that that was actually given to us. It's really just 18 seconds. That's how long it takes for the whole train to go by. We didn't really need to calculate the length of the train, but we could calculate that time from our length. It's sort of just reversing that calculation. Distance over speed is 360 meters over 20 meters per second, which gives us back our 18 seconds. Okay, fourth, we can now calculate the time that it takes for the back of the train to transit or to cover the whole distance of the platform. And that's just our 30 seconds given in the problem minus the 18 seconds that it takes for the back of the train to actually hit the platform. And so that's 12 seconds. Lastly, we just ask how long is the platform. And we know that this train has a certain speed, 20 meters per second, and it's traveling for 12 seconds. So distance equals speed times time. So that's 20 meters per second times 12 seconds. Cancel those units. And we see that the length of the platform in meters is 240 meters. And that's actually shorter than the train.